Hi guys, welcome back to MK Sportscars. Well, it was a bit of a test drive time for me. I thought, I haven't been out in the Sprint 185 for a while actually, so I thought, do you know what, let's do a little test drive video. It's a beautiful day, so me and Finn are going to show you what the Sprint 185 goes like on the road. So let's get into it. Seatbelt on. Here we go, it's MK Sportscars Sprint 185. What is a Sprint 185, you can ask yourself? Well, it's a 7 silhouette car from MK Sportscars. We've got independent suspension all the way round, so you probably don't know who we are. You're not seeing us for the first time maybe. Well, it's an independent suspension car, which means it's a bit more compliant, a bit more comfortable on the road. Inboard front suspension on the vehicle, so it's got push rod, like the Formula 1 style. And the most important thing is the engine and gearbox you're going to think. This car is all about performance, fun, and putting a big smile on the front. So under the body there we've got a 2-litre Dura-Power engine, which is Sprint 185 horsepower. Actually this one's a little bit more, it's 205, so a little bit of spice in it. Longevity throttle bodies, it's going to be a nice little box and a sound to it as well. To that is a stainless steel 4x2x1 exhaust system, which makes a really nice raspy sound. You can hear it here, civilised when we're driving along, but when you open up the tank, which you will do in a minute, you get a feel of what the car sound feel like. Right to that in the middle here, this transmission, beautiful transmission. It gives its off of an MX-5 NC, so the Mark III. Lovely, really nice, short, precise gear changes. Fills you with confidence. You can find the gear nice and quick and nice and easy, which when you're driving these cars, it's all about the gear change, all about the fun. So we're sitting on the road today, going to be a bit of traffic, normal driving. This is what you guys will do every day. Get involved in traffic, cruising around, you know, not just racing it around the track. So here, got a windscreen on this one. We do aero screens, a few different options. Got these nice analog gauges. They're right in front of you. You can see them nice and clear. Speedo up to 150, top speed on these at 135, RPM up to 8,000, it revs to about 72. We've got the other engines here. Tell us what's going on with the engine. Fuel gauge, water. We actually have got island pressure. We've got a little switch and that changes that under here. We can change the pressure and temperature. Then we've got the basics here. I want my lights, all LED, billet aluminium switches with the horns, indicators are nice little, everything's in touching distance. I don't have to move my hands off the wheel too far to get what we want to see. And then a nice leather-clad carbon fibre effect steering wheel here. It's a 280mm, gives it a nice feel on our adjustable column. This goes in and out and up and down, so we can sit this, for someone who's me, like 5'6", go up to about 6'5" in this particular vehicle. So you're wondering if I can fit this car? Well, it fits a lot of different sizes of people. So you don't have to be like, oh, will I fit in this car? Yes, you will. Better box. Lovely, nice feel. Billet aluminium. Lovely colour box down there. Just, Freddie can't see under there, but she's here videoing this with nice billet pedal box where my feet are. Got a nice feel to the pedals. In the 5th gear, cruising along, 50 mile an hour here. Doing 2,250 RPM, a perfect road cruiser this is. This can do miles, I'm very comfortable with the car. It will do miles, not a problem at all. But also it has a bit of spice with 200 horsepower on tap. These cars go extremely well. And I'll just show you a couple of little roundabouts, not going too mad, we'll show you a couple of little roundabouts that these can go like. smiling, thinking it's crazy. That's what this car does. It makes you smile. It's a wicked little thing. Fun, isn't it? Fun, lovely. I'm ready. Makes you fun.
Sorry to interrupt, this is editor Finn, the passenger, and yes, that is my hair in a tornado. A problem that Sean doesn't have to worry about, so a problem we forgot about. So in future, I will be putting my hair up, and if you have long hair, don't be like me. Sorry.
That's what it does. It absolutely rips up there. You know, plenty of power, all that you ever need. 5-speed gearbox, which is delightful to use. Lightweight steering. All the instruments in front of you need. You can have a couple other things, like I said, like the windscreen, a couple of deflectors here we've got, which really gets the wind away from your ear. There's no wind here at all. It's only about here that you get some of the wind, they really do. And the effective way of getting the wind out of your ear. Yes, you can have a weather gear, you can have the doors and all that kind of thing. Of course you can. And you can have a hood and windscreen and wipers and heaters and bits and bobs like that, but it brings it away from the raw experience of what this car is about. This car is about lightweight, smooth driving, having fun, B-road blaster, popping out, fish and chips, having a go, down the pub, and then occasionally blasting it around on the train just for a bit of laugh for your friends and your family. And that's what it's about. But listen to that exhaust. Ready? Bypass here up to national speed limit, just to show you what the car sitting at normal cruising speed. We'll sit like this, full gear, not even a drive, just up to 70 miles an hour. There we go, 70 miles an hour, 3 and a bit thousand RPM, which is absolutely lovely.
Next time should definitely bring a hairband, I think.
It's a bit naughty, isn't it? Pretty quick. Yeah, it's pretty quick. Yeah, Vinny. Yeah, it's pretty quick. Ready? We'll accelerate. Right, going into a national speed limit. So we can open up taps. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go. I didn't realise this is connected to that, so she's out of the car and I'm chatting away, she said it won't work, I'm like, oh okay. Right, so on the test drive, it's great fun to drive. I thought you'd talk you around a little bit around the car, a couple of the features. So we spoke about on the test drive, you've got the 2 litre, you can just follow the engine, don't worry about me. You've got the 2 litre Dura-Power engine, coil and plugs, Gen V throttle bodies. Beautiful thing, looks fantastic, and 4 into 1 exhaust system we've got here. Nice stainless steel system, gives nice raspy sound. It's all lightweight under here, aluminium panels, lightweight batteries, and a 70mm core radiator. And we've got some really nice chunky 265mm discs here with a 4-pot caliper on the front. Plenty of stopping power for a 560 kilo car. As you come round, we've got the windscreen pack, and in the interior, which you guys probably wouldn't have seen, we've got our GOP seats, padded centre tunnel top, and as you see on the dashboard, really nice ergonomic switchgear that you can easily reach as well. Now rolling on to the back here, we've got the safety bar here. This is one of the heights. We do a couple of different options, and a full roll cage, which is FIA compliant, or we do a track day roll cage. Now the body panels on this particular car, and all of the cars that we do, are GRP, so they're fiberglass. Very lightweight, very durable, no paint required. They come in a choice of your colours, about 7 different colours. You can do custom stuff as well. Black corners, red body, LED light pack here and here on the fog light, and the reverse and tail lights on it. And in the back here, it's pretty standard affair in the sense of AA arms, which you'd expect to see. We'll pop that up there for you. We've got a fuel tank, a differential, drive shafts, and all independent 4-link, and we do a boot box in here as well. So if you're going on that a little bit further and you want a little bit of storage, we've got that option for you. So if you want to know more information about the Sprint 185 or any other of the models in the MK Sportscars range, then hook us up here, phone call here at MK Sportscars, come and see us at the factory, or just jump on the website and have a browse and have a look. That's it for this video, guys. Any comments, put them below. We'd love to see them. Like, share, subscribe. We will catch you on the next video.